Hello everyone, I'm Rachel from the Innisfil Idea Lab and Library, and in this Tinker Shop tutorial, we're going to learn how to weed and add transfer tape and apply our vinyl decal. So let's get started. I always start with the outside in, so I'm going to take off the outer piece of my vinyl decal, and you'll be able to start seeing my image being peeled away from the vinyl. Now I'm peeling very closely and slowly, so that way I'm not pulling up the vinyl, I'm just kind of pulling away from the vinyl. Now be sure not to let the sticky side of your vinyl fall back onto your decal. It can get stuck to pieces that you want to keep and possibly even rip your vinyl. Now we're going to grab our tweezers and start picking out all the little inside shapes of our decal. So you can see here there's a fine cut line, and I'm just taking my tweezers and pulling out all the pieces that I want out of my decal. Now this is a tedious process, and the more detailed your design is, the longer your weeding process is going to take. So do keep that in mind. Always make sure to kind of pile your scrapped over vinyl together. After all of our pieces have been weeded, we are now going to take some transfer tape and just place it on top of our decal. So we're going to roll out just enough transfer tape for our decal, and we're going to lay it right on top of it. Next, I'm going to just smooth it out a little bit, and I'm going to take my scissors and cut the rest of the roll. Next, you're going to take either a gift card or something that's a hard surface and just squeegee along your decal. This is going to get all the air bubbles out and make sure that the transfer tape is sticking to the vinyl of your decal. Next, go over to the surface that you're going to be applying your decal to. Make sure it is thoroughly clean. And then you're going to begin taking your decal and peeling the backing paper off of it. You want to make sure that your vinyl is attached to your transfer tape, and continue peeling off the whole piece. Next, you're going to have sticky side down, and you're going to now position it and place it onto your surface. Try to make sure that you put it on smoothly. Take your gift card or your squeegee and start pressing firmly on the transfer tape. You want to make sure that your vinyl is starting to stick to the surface that you're applying this to. Next, you're going to begin slowly peeling back the transfer tape and leaving the vinyl on your surface. Now that you'll find it's common that your vinyl will try to peel up with your transfer tape, just go back over and press it down again with the transfer tape and slowly peel it back again. Sometimes you can use a blow dryer to heat it up and make it a little bit more sticky. This happens a lot on textured surfaces. And that's how you weed, apply transfer tape, and apply your decal to your surface. I'm Rachel from the Innisfil Idea Lab and Library, and thank you so much for joining me.